Hello everyone. This is a small video on organic chemistry and we are going to start with Introduction to Organic Chemistry. Let's see what are these organic compounds. Organic compounds are those compounds which are obtained from the living organisms. They are called as organic compounds because these are found in the organs of plants and animals. So the compounds obtained from living organisms are called as organic compounds because they are found in the organs of plants and animals. Now let's see some important points that we need to remember. These organic compounds are mainly made up of carbon and hydrogen. These contain carbon and hydrogen. That is why these are called as hydrocarbons. Hydro from hydrogen and carbon from carbon. So that's why they are called hydrocarbons. Earlier it was believed that these organic compounds can't be synthesized in the lab, and some mysterious force is involved in the synthesis of these compounds. That's why this theory is called as vital force theory. But soon after this, urea was the first compound which was synthesized by a scientist called Friedrich Holler in 1828 in the laboratory, which actually discards the vital force theory, which means the vital force theory is not true and the organic compounds can be synthesized in the lab. So the modern definition of organic compounds goes like this. Organic compounds are hydrocarbons and their derivatives in which covalently bonded carbon is an essential constituent. In organic compounds, carbon atoms bond covalently with each other as well as with the hydrogen atoms like this. This is the framework of organic compounds in which the carbon atoms and the hydrogen atoms, they are bonded covalently, and each carbon atom forms 4 covalent bonds. We are going to learn more about these organic compounds in the subsequent videos, and I'm going to discuss about the importance of organic compounds in my next video. So keep watching. Thank you.